If you're a serious gamer or a power user working on a high-performance laptop, you've probably dealt with overheating. Enter the Lano RGB Laptop Cooling Pad, a high-efficiency cooling solution designed specifically for laptops ranging from 15.6 to 21 inches. This isn't your typical fan stand, it's a turbo-powered cooling station that combines style, functionality, and performance. At the heart of it is a powerful turbofan, engineered to deliver fast, efficient airflow that brings down your laptop's temperature significantly during heavy use. Whether you're gaming, editing 4K videos, or running intensive software, the adjustable fan speed gives you full control, letting you balance noise and performance depending on your workload. Thanks to its touch control panel and built-in LCD screen, adjusting settings is intuitive and user-friendly. One tap and you can cycle through fan speeds, monitor your cooling levels in real time, and even change the RGB lighting effects to match your gaming setup or personal aesthetic. The RGB lighting itself is not just a gimmick, it offers multiple dynamic modes and colors, making your workstation visually engaging, especially in low-light environments. At the heart of it is a powerful turbofan, engineered to deliver fast, efficient airflow that brings down your laptop's temperature significantly during heavy use. Whether you're gaming, editing 4K videos, or running intensive software, the adjustable fan speed gives you full control, letting you balance noise and performance depending on your workload. Thanks to its touch control panel and built, what really sets the Lano cooler apart is its ergonomic design. It includes adjustable height settings, helping improve posture and viewing angles during long sessions. This not only enhances comfort but also promotes better airflow underneath the laptop. Plus, its wide compatibility means it can support everything from large gaming laptops to powerful workstations. The cooling pad is also built with durable materials to withstand extended usage, and the fan's performance is impressively quiet considering its strength. For content creators, programmers, or gamers who push their machines to the limit, this cooler can be a game changer. It extends your laptop's lifespan by reducing thermal stress, prevents thermal throttling that can slow down performance, and keeps your device running cool even under load. If you're dealing with lag due to heat or your laptop fan is constantly spinning like a jet engine, this external cooling pad is a smart investment. Whether you use your laptop on a desk or in a gaming station setup, the Lano RGB Laptop Cooling Pad offers an all-in-one solution with performance cooling, adjustable comfort, and stylish flair. From its powerful turbofan to touchscreen controls, and its bold RGB lighting, it's a modern cooling pad built for today's high-demand users. It's not just about keeping your laptop cool, it's about keeping your performance at its peak.